Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. So this is what the box looks like. You can see the Republic of Gamers logo right on top. There are some other stickers as well. We'll quickly take a look at what other information is available on this particular box. Mostly these are manufacturer information, as you can tell. There are some more manufacturer information on this side, and that's more or less it. Over here you can see that the particular variant is Moonlight White. So now let's open the box and quickly take a look at the inside. So yeah, this is the sleeve. It has a gaming inspired design. Has a nice fabric on it as well. A lot of compartments and chains inside over here as well. Let's open it and quickly give you a sneak peek. There you can tell a lot of, there's this particular thermocol. Let's remove that. You can tell a lot of compartments inside as well. This is good for holding a 14-inch laptop, definitely. There's also a lanyard for carrying it around, and you have the Choice of Champions and Republic of Gamers logo right over here. If you can see this, there you go. So that's we have seen. Let's go back to the box, and there is another box inside. There you can see. So this is the other box. This is the one that contains the laptop. You can see it has ROG Zephyrus written over here. You can tell, and you have the ASUS logo over here as well. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so a lot of components here. This is of course the laptop. I'm going to keep it here. A lot of compartments here. This is an extra box. This has all the documents in them. Let's keep this over here as well. What else do we have? Nothing of importance here. Okay, so this is the charging adapter, the charging brick, and there are a couple of more things over here as well. There is a micro USB cable, and there is this box over here. There's another compartment over here as well, and we have the rest of the charging cable right here. I'm going to remove this box and show you each of these components. So let's go. Yeah, this is of course the the charging cable. As you can tell, this is your 250 volt charging cable with a 3-pin charging cable right over here. This is the power brick for this particular laptop. This is I will tell you how much this is. Yeah, this is a 180 watt charging brick, as it's written over here. Yeah, this is a 180 watt charging brick. Next up we have this box. There are a lot of documents inside. So let's quickly take a look at what these documents are. So alright, this is a comic book or a graphic novel published by ASUS, or ROG rather. Seems to have pretty nice artwork and all of that. You can read it at your own perusal. We also have a G series gaming. So this is a quick installation guide for this particular notebook on how to charge it and how to set up, etc. This is the first edition user manual for the Zephyrus G14. Everything that you need to know you will find in this particular manual, so you should read it at least once. And finally we have the registration document from ASUS. I'm going to put them back in this box over here and leave it on this side. There are two other components before we move on to the laptop. There is this one. This is a micro USB charging cable with my USB-A on one end. This I am assuming is for the webcam, because the final box should be the webcam itself. Let's quickly take a look at what other stuff we find inside. Yes, this is the, you can tell, the GC21 Webcam user guide. Everything that you need to know you'll find in this manual, of course. And my apologies, this is the webcam right over here. So this is the webcam, and let's find out what this is. It comes with a nice carrying pouch as well, and this is the mount for your laptop basically. So this is what the webcam looks like. You're supposed to mount it on the laptop, so I'm going to leave this over here as well. Now let's take a look at the laptop itself. I'm going to get rid of this plastic wrap, this plastic cover. This is the Moonlight white variant, and it also has this particular design over here which they call the anime matrix. You also have Republic of Gamer logo on this corner. It has a metallic frame as well. It has solid structure, very rugged structure. Looks very sleek, of course. I mean, there are the underside, you can see there are 4 anti-grip stops and lot of fans on this particular. Is a very detailed cooling system in this particular laptop, as you can see. On the sides we have some ports, of course. So on this side we have, this is the HDMI port, your power port, the USB-C port and the 3.5mm port. And on this side we have, an USB-C type port and 2 USB-A ports. Now let's take a look at the inside. Okay, this is what the keyboard looks like. There's a lot of information over here as well. Let's turn this display on first. Let's see if this works. There you go, it's working fine. You can see the Republic of Gamer logo on the display. There are 2 stickers here. This particular laptop is powered by the Ryzen 9 5000 series processor, specifically the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS processor. This is also powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card, in this case the 3060 graphics card, which is great. And that's it. You can see the display. It has a pretty thin bezel as well. You will notice the monitor is much smaller than your normal gaming laptops, because this is a 14-inch laptop rather than not a 15.6-inch gaming laptop, which is a standard size for most gaming laptops. I'm not going to log in. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box, containing the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 14-inch gaming laptop powered by NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. Thank you for watching.